Turning improvements. In ZW3D 2020, turning operations have been greatly improved, such as round groove tools for roughing and finishing, preview of turning tools, shaped and face turning, customized cutting depth for part-off operation. Groove round tool applied in roughing and finishing operations. The roughing toolpath on the right is created by the 2019 version. In the 2020 version, the result is more ideal. First, open the Tool Manager. This is a preset groove round tool. Close the parameter form. Right-click the calculation to generate the toolpath in the 2020 version. Let's make a verification. You can see that the groove round tool can apply well with roughing. Now, the groove round tool can perform roughing and finishing of turning, delivering enhanced turning ability in ZW3D. Preview of turning tools. Let's open the Tool Manager, and then modify some parameters of the tool. You can get the real-time preview of the tool on the right. This improvement makes the setting up of the tool simpler and friendlier. Finishing operation supports shaped and face turning. Shaped and face turning is supported by the finishing operation. In the same case, the toolpath on the right is created in the 2019 version. The area of the shaped end face cannot be machined properly. Then, let's see how it works in the 2020 version. First, calculate the toolpath. Then, verify the toolpath. You can see that the shaped end face is machined well by turning finishing operation. This improvement has further enhanced the turning capabilities of ZW3D. Part-off operation adds new cutting depth function. Custom cutting depth for part-off operation is supported now. Let's compare the toolpath of part-off operation created by the 2019 version and 2020 version. We can measure the minimum depth of the part-off in the 2020 version. It is 32.3 millimeters. Then, go to the parameter dialog of part-off operation. You can see the new option to set the cutting depth here. Enter an integer of 33, and then calculate the toolpath. The result is better. The new cutting depth function can help users to set the desired cutting depth more flexibly. With all these improvements, ZW3D provides a more reasonable turning toolpath.